Stop it, will you? My God, he's bad. Stop biting my toes. I'm going to bite you in the bum. That's what I'm going to do. Yes, I am. It's raining out again. I think we're in Malaysia in the rainy season. Wait a minute. We're going to get a thing to sit on. All right, I'm coming out. Yeah, we're running. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, stop it. Wait a minute. Wait. I put my cushion down so it don't get my bum wet. There. There we go. Ah! Ouch, here. Oh my gosh. That Buddy boy. Here, Buddy the second. There you go. Here. You got it? All right. Here, Scooter. Will you take it easy, bud? Oh yeah, I got raccoon tracks all over my jacket again. Go clean that off. Here, you. Here. You know, that's why I have to sit in the rain, because he won't eat unless I'm beside him. So, like this here. Will you stop? Here. There you go. I'm gonna. Oh, I got one going into the igloo. Yes, stop. Here. Now, see, they're all going to run because somebody come in the driveway. Here. Not my driveway, next door. Here. Buddy took off. Yeah, he won't stick around if strangers come. Here. I missed. There, I got one in the igloo. Here. Ready? There you go. What do you want? What? Oh, you're stealing one. There he is. Buddy's back. He just stole one out of the bucket. Alright, I'm going to... There, I got a couple of more in the igloo. Here you go. I'm going to put my hood up. What? Here. You gotta come over here and get it. Look. Come here. There. Anybody else there? Here you go. There's yours. Who else is coming? And I have another video I haven't put up yet. It was last night I did with the GoPro. So I'm going to put that together. I'll put this one up first and then I'll put the GoPro one up, and it was last night's bedtime lunch. Yeah, it's raining good here now. But I got to sit in the rain because of him. Normally I could have the bench over there, but see, he won't... Yes, I know. There you are. Alright, here you go. Here's yours. Yes. You gotta come over and get it, bud. Here, look, come here. You got it? Here. The bench is soaked. Here, I'll give them whole ones. Here. Here. There you go. Stop. Here. See what he does? Look. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. There you go. Here. I'm getting the whole ones now because they're so aggressive. Here. And I'll have to put the dry food in closer because it won't be, I don't want it out in the rain. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting this rain from that heavy storm that comes up the seaboard. They said it's like hurricane winds. So that's what's going on. Thank God I got my lawn cut yesterday. Everybody alright? Here. Here. You got it? Good boy. There's my buddy. It's my boy. Yes, he was. His hair's all wet. Yes, it is. Your hair's all wet. It is so. You're my buddy boy, aren't you? Here. Here. You got it? Okay. You ready? Here. Well, buddy's heading out. He's away. Stop pulling on my jacket. Here. Wait till Halloween night. I open up the door and let them in the house on Halloween night. Yeah, there's Buddy going with his. Buddy took off with his. He's heading down to the woods with it. Takeout. Here's spare one for you. Another one for you. Here. Grab it. Good boy. Who else wants one? You want one? Here. You got it? Good boy. And one for you. There. What? I gotta get you some more. I'm not gonna sit there no more. It's too wet. You're all waiting, are you? Did you get the ones that were in the igloo? Huh? Here, put this down. Here, you ready? Come on. There you go. There you go. Here's yours. You want one? Here, Ben. Here, come on. There you go, buddy. There goes Ben. Big old rump on him. And you want another one up here? Here. Here. Got it? Good boy. There you got two. I'll throw one in the igloo. Here. What a dirty, rotten night out. We got no grapes tonight. No, we don't. No. You ready? Here. Here you go. You want one? Here. You got it? Good boy. Yeah, everybody's hungry. And Buddy had his, and he got raccoon tracks all over my jacket. Yes, he does. Where are you going with that now? Huh? Here, Ben. Here, bud. There you go. That's okay. Good boy, Benny. Good boy, Ben. Yep. What a good boy. Ready for another one? There you go. You got one up there. And you're all wet. I was patting the fur there on Buddy and he was just soaked. Yeah, not a good day at all. Come on, Ben. Come on. Come on up, get another one. Hurry up. Come on. Come on, Ben. Come on, buddy. Do you want another one? Here. Here, look. Here. Got it? Here you go. Come on, you fellas. Oh, there's Woody down there. Here, Woody. Here you go. You missed out on that one. Here, Ben. Here. There. Here, Ben. There. Woody took off around the house with his. Nothing wrong with his paw, I'll tell you. Here. There you go. He just had a sore paw for a few days, that's all. That happens all the time. Here we got one over here. You want another one? Huh? You want another one? Here. You got it? Good boy. Good boy. Do you need another one up there? Just a minute. Here. You ready? There you go. There want 3 more down there. You need one there. Alright. Ben, here. Come on up, Ben. Come on. Come on. That's not Ben. That's one of the other fellows. That's one of the Westfall boys. See if I can get Ben to come back up. Come on. Well, that's Woody. Here. Where, Woody? Look. There's Woody there. Come here. Get it. Oh. There was one popped out of the igloo. Here. Now get some more. We'll cut some more. You guys are eating a lot tonight. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, Benny's up this way. Here, bud. Here. You come up this stairway. All right. I didn't know. All right, I'm going to turn the camera around. There he is there. Look, that's Benny. These fellas. All right, here. I like how they stand up and beg. Here. Now we got our Westfall boys here. One there and the other one. There you go. That's the Westfall boys. Then we got one fellow there in the bucket. There's Big Ben. You want another one, Ben? Here. Look. You got it? Good boy. There, you stay there and eat. You're such a big boy. Yes, you are. I'm not going to bother you. I'm not going to bother you. I'll go over here again. Oh, we got one in the... We got one there in the... here. He stuck his head out of the igloo. He's hiding in the igloo. Do you want one? Here. Here you go, Woody. Here. Here you go, buddy. Look at that. Just flying down the stairs. Not a thing wrong with him. Here. Well, Ben wants another one. You want another one, Ben? Here. You ready? Here you go, bud. They're all here tonight. Here. This is the last of the hot dogs of 10 pounds. Yep. The 10 pounds went out. And I'm going to put the dry food out now. There's Big Woody. Or not my Big Ben. You want another one? Here. You got it? I'll throw one in the igloo. Here. Throw one in the igloo. Who's in the igloo? There. There's one down on the lawn. Here, Big Ben wants another one. There you go, Ben. Do you want to take it from me? Can you take it from me? No. Okay. There you go, buddy. There, he's away down this stairs here. I'll put a package of cookies out and then we'll put dry out after. Yep, somebody else wants one, don't you? Here. You got it? Good boy. There you go. Here, Ben. You want another one? Here. Here you go. He's just going right through them. You want another one in there? There. Okay, I'm going to put some cookies out now. Yeah. He's trying to steal the... He did. He stole the hot dog out of the igloo. All right, we're going to have cookies now, bud. Okay, it's cookie time. You ready? Who wants cookies? Who wants cookies? I know, Ben, you want them. Here. Want a cookie? Here you go. Cookie? And you want a cookie? Here. You got it? There you go. You want cookies? Here, Westful people. There you go. The other Westful boy. Here's yours. And we'll throw a couple in the igloo. Because we got somebody in the igloo. I'll throw some down there for Benny boy. There you go. And alright, so we'll put out here. Oh, that fellow's having a great time. I'll throw a few more down there too. There. There you go, Ben. you're bringing the cookie up, alright. So I'm gonna there's cookies in the igloo. There. Now we're going to put the dry food out after, guys. I'm going to put it up against the wall here after the cookies are done. Okay? Is that alright? We got one in each bucket. Yeah. There's one eating on the steps and there's one in the igloo. Yes, look at that bucket's got to be emptied. I got to put more water in it. We got to empty that, bud. Yep. You made a mess. Yes, you did. Well. Okay. I'll throw this over here for now. Alright. There's Mr. Connor. There's the Connor cat. Aren't you? You didn't get to your drive today, did you? Dad was busy. Dad was busy running around today, yep. Maybe tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah, we'll be able to go out tomorrow. We'll go down to Tim Hortons. That'd be alright? Would you like that? You want to go to Tim Hortons? You hungry? You hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Do ya? Do you want a treat? Do ya? And there's Charlotte. Okay, I'm going to put this up right now, and then once this is loaded, I'm going to do the one from last night, the bed lunch one that I used. I used the GoPro for that. Alright, thank you for watching, and I guess we'll see you again tomorrow night. Hopefully it's not raining.